Get Up Morning.
Hello.
Hi.
We have guests.
Well, we know AI, artificial intelligence, is popular and it's everywhere. Here to discuss some of the recent AI issues that affect all of us is Judge Melodee Armstrong. Judge Melo, welcome back to Get Up Mornings.
Hello. Always great to be with you guys.
Okay, so listen, first we see AI used in social media, Google, HR, for jobs in fun ways. We also know it can be false and used dangerously. What legal issues do you see?
While it helps to do things faster and cheaper, especially for creatives and businesses, like using your anonymous hospital patient info to train AI for future healthcare, it's taking content without payment or consent. And we know it can cause trust issues. So if you're using it at work, please don't get embarrassed or fired. And for any businesses on the internet, there's search engine issues, guys. If the search on AI gives you a summary at the top, have you seen that? Like when you do a search, it gives you this summary. So if we start with the AI summary, are we looking at the websites and the search results below? And if we don't scroll down, those businesses lose internet traffic and revenue, and they still have to pay Google. So we may see fewer websites, which means fewer independent sources to verify the information that's already out there.
That's good.
And then there's bias. When it's used by law enforcement, guys, it doesn't recognize dark-skinned or melanin-blessed people very well.
Yeah, that's true.
And it puts life and liberty at stake in court.
I literally just Googled Juneteenth celebrations, and the stuff that it said we eat, I was like, we don't eat that. Wear this for Juneteenth. Wear these colors for Juneteenth. I'm going, we don't do that. So you're absolutely right.
Right, and so we absolutely need equal protections in AI. We need to be a part of the diverse data that is input, and we have to minimize the content errors and the bias.
What can we do and what can businesses do to protect themselves from this, being on the wrong side of AI, should I say?
Always fact check. Frequently check your site or your info for errors and then contact Google about it. And if you are in the visual space, you can use or look for digital content labels on photos. That lets you know that there's a whole trail, that this is real data, real visual content. And then, of course, you always have the courthouse. Apple, Google, and others, they're being sued for promising services that don't exist, for content accuracy, for wiretapping. Guys, some of us are telling Alexa and Siri everything, but we can disable the microphone and not help train AI for free 99. So these cases, the outcome is very important. There's one company is suing Google because it listed false information about that company, and they started losing contracts. Like if you're in the government contracting space or you're just out here doing your best work, they're going to go search you. But it said that the company was being sued multiple times, and it wasn't.
Wow.
And so check your information frequently and then head to the courthouse if you need to.
Wow. We're talking to Judge Melodee Armstrong. How do we keep ourselves safe, or how are federal and state lawmakers trying to keep AI safe?
The federal level, there are no laws. The government is focused more on innovation than it is on protecting people. And so, it's the state laws that try to protect you against harm from AI. But guys, here's the most important thing that we know has been percolating. If the proposed bill named as beautiful, if it passes, it has lots of unattractive things in it, including restricting the states for 10 years for enforcing their own state laws to protect us from harm and damages from AI. So while AI may appear real, demanding the companies use diverse data for Juneteenth info and demanding that our representatives make protective and fair AI laws, that's what's really real. That's what we've got to do.
Wow. Thank you so much. This was great information to have. Judge Melodee, how can people contact and follow you for more information?
Sure. On IG and Facebook, Judge Mello Armstrong, and www.melodeearmstrong.com.
I love it. Thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate you.
Always a pleasure.
All right, guys, it's Get Up Mornings. Y'all stay informed and aware. We got more on the way. It's Get Up Mornings.
Get up. You're listening to Get Up Mornings with Erica Campbell.